Have another comparison video here with this Equinox 800 and Deus 2. You see that quarter right there? Block of wood and a fridge magnet. All right. Now the Equinox is going to stay ground balanced at 0. And the Deus is going to be at its default settings when I turn it on. Okay. Watch this. And again, you place as much stock in this as you want. You got this old noisy tractor coming up through here. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to check Park 1, Park 2, Field 1, and Field 2. And at the end, I will lift up this thing for the Deus 2. So I'm going to sort of do this sort of in inverse order here. I'm going to lift up this. You see that quarter there? 30 in Park 1. 30 in Park 2. 30 in Field 1. 30 in Field 2. Okay, now the block of wood's up there, and there's the old fridge magnet, okay? Both of these machines have 11-inch coils on them. Now, ground balance is at 0 in all of these detect modes, and I will verify that. You see that maybe in that camera there. No tricks, boys. I just see there's a difference here, and I don't know what it means, okay? All right. Speed 5, F20, I'll just run that in all these settings, okay? Let's see where we're at here with Park 2. F20. Park 1, speed 5, F20. Okay? You've seen the quarter what it read, right? Now I'm going to leave this as is. We'll sweep the Deus 2 over it, and then I'll lift it up and give you some IDs on this baby, okay? Now watch this. I'm going to sweep from about 2 or 3 inches above this. You see that ID in that window? 24, flashes up 25, 26. That's Park 1. Park 2. You see that ID, 23 to 25, Field 1. (24, 26) in Field 2. So basically all these programs ID that quarter under that fridge magnet there, okay? Now that fridge magnet's not giving no signal on this machine, okay? Matter of fact, I'll just show that right now to get that out of the way. You don't hear no signal. That's Field 2. Okay, now if I mash the horseshoe button, she's a reading -9, okay? So I'm going to put this back. And then you get I'll just sweep one mode here with the Equinox. I'm not going to slide neither one of these machines, boys. I bought both of them, okay? I'll check another mode here. Park 1. There you go. 25, 26. And you've seen that quarter read 30 on this machine, right? Now, this machine's got a smaller scale than that Deus 2. All right. We're going to fire this Deus 2 up. And I'm going to check, I think I won't check sensitive FT. I'll go by it. Okay. General mode. Reactivity 2. That's all I've changed on it, okay? All right, here we go. You see that ID in the window? Okay. Now we'll toggle over here to sensitive program. Reactivity 2. I'll turn the audio response up. Okay, let's see what it does. You see that ID in the window? Okay. Now this is the fast program. Reactivity 2. Audio response dialed up. Hey, beeping is this. I've got this scan, frequency scan. Okay, fast program. You see that ID in that window? Okay. 9495. Here's the pilot program. Now, everything is default. All I'm doing is running the reactivity to 2. I can even leave this one at 2.5. We'll just do that. Audio response turned up, okay? You see that ID in that window? '94, '95, '96. Deep high conductor. Reactivity 2. I'll drag the audio response up. Whoops, okay. Here we go. I'm going to get the call down close here. All right there's about 3 inches above that. Try to watch this meter and call it off to you. All right, so you got to see that. All right, now I'm going to take this block of wood off of here. Now this is deep high conductor on the quarter. 94, 95, pilot program. 96, fast program, just a quarter. 96, sensitive program. 96, general program. 95, okay. Now, I'm going to put this fridge magnet up here just like we had her laying. Remove the quarter. We'll sweep over this, you know. No tricks, boys. Look at there. Now, that's all default disc. That's general, sensitive, fast. Now, that beep is when it was noise auto scanning. Let me go back here and check sensitive. I might not give it enough time. There she goes. See there? No signal, okay? Park program. No signal. So no tricks, boys. No tricks. This machine under that fridge magnet on this quarter is giving closer ID. That Equinox over there is all the most. What did it do? It averaged 5 to 6 points low. So what does that mean? I couldn't tell you. But it's happening, okay? You got to see it. I hope you enjoyed. One more little comparison here using 4 kilohertz single frequency Equinox 800 against the Deus 2, a fridge magnet suspended above a U.S. clad corner. There's quite a difference here, ladies and gentlemen. That quarter's reporting 96. All right. Now with the fridge magnet, 2 inches above that. All right, you got to see what that machine there did. Watch what this one does. She's in 4 kilohertz. Speed 5. We got no iron bar setting on this baby, okay? She reached 30, boys. All right? Maybe you can see that meter. Now that's about 2 inches above. 3 inches. You see the difference? She reads low, don't she? Real low. But there's about the highest I can get. It reads 21. I'm very cold height here, sweeping that. Okay, so now I'm up here. 23, but I'm 5 inches over the top of that fridge magnet. Now here's about 1 inch above it. 1.5 inches. All right, you got to see that, and I'm gonna leave her setting right where she's at. Turn this one back on, because I don't want somebody to say, oh, you moved that thing there, and it's, made the test all cattywampus. You know, I don't play games, boys, but this is different, okay? Okay. Deus Mano. And I'm gonna have to see if it'll let me get back to 4 kilohertz. It may not. There it is, 4 kilohertz. Reactivity 2, and I'm gonna bust the audio response up for you, okay? And watch this. From about 1.5 inches above that. See that ID? Now I'm about 4 inches above it right there. We'll sweep it, let you look at the ID. We'll hover it. Two inches above it there, I'm getting 96 and 93. There's 94, 94, 95, 95. There's 89, 92, 91, 95, okay? You get to see what it reads without the fridge magnet. So even at 4 kilohertz, this thing is trying to report closer ID to that quarter generally, okay? I hope you enjoyed.